A UK robotics firm known as Engineered Arts debuted the first videos of its new humanoid robot, which is able to make hyper-realistic facial expressions. It is a pretty stunning achievement in the world of robotics. It just also happens to be, no doubt, terrifying. It might bear a somewhat undeniable resemblance to the terrifying creature in the Will Smith mega blockbuster I, Robot. But this robot is actually real and has been billed as the world's most advanced humanoid. Today, the population of humanoids on Earth continues to grow unabated. For example, everybody and their IT person have seen Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot. And what is going on with bipedal robots at Caltech would make a T-1000 sit up and notice. But nothing, as far as we know, appears to be more realistic than Engineered Arts' new robot, Ameca. Called Ameca, the humanoid's face features eyes, cheeks, a mouth, and a forehead that contorts and changes shape to show emotions, going from awe to surprise to happiness. The latest videos of Ameca shows it waking up and seemingly coming to grips with its existence for the first time. Ameca, which many people call the world's most advanced human-shaped robot, is designed to help engineers and scientists study and improve human-robot interactions. Reading facial expressions is a critical part of how humans connect, and it's thought that humanoid robots, tasked with working in settings like healthcare, would be more readily embraced if they could look and communicate just like humans. Ameca isn't the smartest. It also isn't the most helpful or skillful, and it cannot have an engaging conversation or even move. However, despite its apparent irrelevance, this handsome robot went viral because it looks just like a human. Conversations on robotics usually revolve around intelligence, language, and other easily recognizable human traits. We often forget the branch that studies appearance, sometimes called antithrombotics. Building robots that copy human gestures, expressiveness, and even facial emotions are some of the tasks at its core. Most research in AI robotics is fixated on building super-intelligent disembodied agents. Think of GPT-3, AlphaZero, or any other virtual model falling under the umbrella term of machine learning. Intelligence is the epitome of human uniqueness and presumably the most helpful feature to imbue in humanoids. But AI systems don't live isolated from the world. Whether we're aware or not, AI is ingrained in all areas of our lives, and eventually we might face a reality in which we interact with physical robots governed by these humanoids. When considering whether we want these robots to look like us or not is a fundamental question for the future of AI. Advancing the capacity of robots to relate to, communicate, and interact with people is paramount to bridging the gap between them and us. Ameca is a cloud-connected platform that can multiply the power of AI with an artificial body where artificial intelligence and machine learning systems can be tested and developed alongside Engineered Arts' powerful Tritium robot operating system. This method allows companies working on AI research to test their products. Companies creating artificial intelligence or machine learning technology can use Ameca to test and present their technology in front of a live audience. The Ameca hardware is developed based on Engineered Arts' own research into AI robotics and built on their advanced Mesmer technology. The AI robot's congeniality makes it a perfect platform for fostering human-to-human connections in any metaverse. The owners can also obtain access to all robotic data from anywhere in the world, operated as their avatar, animated and simulated. Though it looks and stands like a human and can move its arms, Ameca doesn't know how to walk yet. Engineered Arts plans to change that as soon as it can. It might just be a matter of time before you find Ameca walking down the street one day, waving and making uncomfortable eye contact with you. Starting with Ameca's facial features, you could surmise that the years of expressionless robots are already gone. Its forehead, eyes, mouth, and even its cheeks could adjust depending on its emotions. According to Ameca's inventors, the humanoid robot is currently regarded as the most advanced human-shaped robot in the world. This helps the experts to establish more research on how an AI platform emulates how humans interact. Despite its ability to express super realistic facial emotions that we used to do, Ameca cannot move its body parts. What makes up for Ameca's ability to be sad or happy is what lacks its capacity to walk and run. Per Engineered Arts, the robot could not do the current task, but the firm sees it would most likely happen in the future. At some point, we can assume that the startup will develop soon. The AI robotic company added that its developers are assigned to handling AI for Ameca. Engineered Arts are responsible for making human-like bodies and features. As for the technology, it seems the robot's combination of mechanical limbs and ligaments, actuators, and sensor arrays is cutting edge. Even though Engineered Arts has been around since 2005, it's had 16 years to perfect its humanoid bots. The company's first robot was a mechanical thespian robot for the stage. In its figurative head, however, Ameca is somewhat lacking. Engineered Arts clarifies that Ameca doesn't use anything like pure AI, aka Artificial General Intelligence. Ameca is essentially a chatbot in one heck of a metal chassis. Although Engineered Arts says users can easily talk through the robot remotely. Last October, it was reported that University of Tokyo scientists invented a thinking robot that could accomplish human tasks. Its AI is said to be controlling its brain. While this is an extensive study to carry over, there are specific challenges for this thinking machine. Many experts find it hard to equate computational tasks to the thinking robot. Somehow the arrival of these humanoids could mean something for humanity. They could replace humans very soon. While it is true and possible, it was reported that it should still not imply the end of the human race for what it is worth. While some people think Ameca is fantastic, others think it is alarming and have expressed their concerns that Ameca may lead to a cyber revolt and robot uprising just like we have seen in the movies. Moreover, even Elon Musk has recently expressed concern about the risk of artificial intelligence in terms of how human we want our AI counterparts to be. Many people, including Elon Musk, might be concerned about what our future will look like when the intellect is combined with a fantastic human appearance. As shown in the movies, the emergence of AI usually brings chaos with it. However, Ameca's creators stated that the technological breakthrough would be used for a different aspect, implying that Ameca will be the future face of humanoids. AI will enable machines to learn and execute human activities more efficiently and go beyond them. However, for robots and humans to collaborate more smoothly, they must share our space, and these humanoids are the greatest platforms for this. Moreover, researchers have been striving to teach nonverbal communication to humanoids to make them more engaging, and Ameca is a big step forward in this area. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. Do you think Ameca is going to be the face of humanoids? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you do not want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video.